Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you new Premiere Pro features that you probably didn't know about. The last one is my favorite. So I never knew that if I come over here and select this icon over here, I can expand my screen and then I can hit the escape button to reset it back, which is actually very nice. So we have the full screen feature over here. And then if I move to the next tab over here, I can always check my progress bar. With this progress bar, I can see auto saves and other progresses that are taking place within the background, like rendering and all of that. And the next tab is for quick export. So I no longer need to come over to file over here, come down to export and select media, wait for it to load and give it a name, destination, presets, and all these plenty settings. All I need to do is to go back to my edit tab over here. I can now select quick export and just choose the name and location and change one settings and hit export. Another tab here is the workspace. Now with this workspace, I can quickly navigate from editing to other interfaces. For example, if I'm done editing and I want to go into color and I want to color my video, all I need to do is to switch to the color interface. And now I have this tab over here, the lumetric scope. And then I have the lumetric color tab over here. And also I can quickly switch. Let's say I want to go over to the audio tab. I can just switch over to the audio tab immediately. And now I can select my audio and begin to navigate my audio over here. You can also have all the tabs at once if you prefer. Just come over to all panels over here and you have all the panels, and it's just with a single click. My favorite of them all is the fact that with this new feature, I can now have my auto saves at the background. In time past, while editing in Premiere Pro, you'll constantly see Premiere Pro auto-saving your project while your project is running in front of the interface. But now, all of that is taking place in the background and you don't even know when or how it saves. I think that's a really cool feature. And those are my quick new features in Premiere Pro that I just found about. Thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial tomorrow.